Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we going to get here. With the help of these numbers, we are gonna create some beautiful, lovely, tiny characters and you are gonna enjoy it as much. See what pretty things have we created using just these mathematical numbers. Keep on proceeding here, you have to just make the patterns like this, make a line and then on the top you need to just make these things over and over again. You have to get the different expressions like this, the winky eyes, straight eyes, and then here you have to make the different characters like this. Isn't it cool? Damn amazing. You can give it a beautiful lovely colors as well. Now here let's see what are we gonna make. Here you have to make some winky expressions like this and make it look like this. You have to make the different sunlight patterns in this manner, make the rays around. These are gonna look amazing. You can make the sunlight in different patterns like this. Isn't it cool? You are gonna enjoy it as much. Now here you have to make the beautiful expressions and then the layers, the rays of sunlight in this manner. This is damn amazing. And here you have to just create the sunlight in this way and these all are gonna look damn pretty. You can choose any one of them for your pictures. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get some different markers and then you have to make the bear look like this and then you have to make it in these manner, make the paws, little paws as well, and then you have to decorate it further. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to make the layers like this and then join them together in this way. You have to just make the fins around and then the pretty eyes as well. These are gonna look pretty cool. You have to make the fins and then scales around all over the body. Now here with the help of these markers you have to just create the numbers and with the help of these numbers you have to make a mouse. This is gonna look amazing. Now with the help of these highlighters and all, you have to just create the numbers and then with the help of these, we have to create a bird sitting here in this position. Isn't it cool? Make the feather part as well and then this is gonna look damn amazing. Isn't it interesting? Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to make the hands holding. Let's see what the hands are holding here. You have to make a thumbs up out of it. Proceeding in this way, let's see what are we gonna create here. You have to get the brush part and then you have to create it in this manner. Further you have to make the toothpaste as well and make a heart in this way. This is damn cool and amazing. And just make the container as well and then you have to give it a beautiful lovely look. Isn't it amazing? You have to make the beautiful heart shape patterns and then the tooth part. Cool, right? Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get your rainbows, pretty rainbows made in this way. Further here, what are we up to? You have to just get your highlighters and with the help of these, you have to create some beautiful, lovely patterns. You have to make a raincoat in this manner. You have to make the pretty eyes in this way and then you have to make the buttons as well. This is gonna look amazing. You have to make the boots as well and this is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool? Thank you guys for watching.